AI is the most exciting human invention in history. I mean, it's got everyone's jaws dropping because it has turned very complex or Herculean tasks to simple and achievable ones just by the touch of a button. Think about its endless possibilities: chatbots, video generators, text-to-speech, augmented reality, image generators, even AI that can design a fully functional website. Isn't that mind-blowing? But where can AI be applied in your digital marketing? How can you use it to advance your marketing efforts? Hey there guys, I'm Ben from IDM. In this video, we're going to be diving into 3 powerful AI chatbots. Now we're going to be making an Excel lead template and a lead capture form with these chatbots I'm about to show you. This will help you know that AI can be used strategically to make complex but really essential tools that your business really needs. So I would really love it if you watch this video to the end, because there may be some information that you could use to help your business. Who knows? So the first is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI chatbot by OpenAI that can produce text for you based on any prompt you input. It can generate emails, essays, poems, and even grocery lists. In addition to writing for you, ChatGPT can chat with you about simple or complex topics such as what are colors or how to become a neuroscientist at home. ChatGPT is also proficient in STEM and can write and debug code and even solve complex math equations. Now let's use ChatGPT to create an Excel lead template for my imaginary dry cleaning business.
So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT and type create an Excel lead template to help me better understand my leads and highlight key information to reach out to them once they've shown interest for my dry cleaning business. So let's hit enter. And you can see that it created just such an email lead template. Using this, you can create something that is pretty much useful for your business to capture the leads. Let's head to the second, Bing Chat. Bing Chat is a conversational AI chatbot. It was recently released by Microsoft and it runs on GPT-4, the newest version of OpenAI's language model systems. This makes it more powerful, capable, and reliable than the free version of ChatGPT. You have the opportunity to choose different chat types like a more creative, more balanced, or more precise chat. It also has the capability for you to chat with images. Isn't that wonderful? It's like chatting with a friend. For me, it's really cool. Now the last but not the least, UChat. UChat also uses OpenAI's GPT-3. The chatbot outputs an answer to anything you input, including math, coding, translating. It can even generate images and write personalized emails. Now let's use UChat to create a landing page that can help you to capture leads. I went to u.com and now searched create a HTML code that can help me to capture leads with CSS and JavaScript for a little bit of functionality. And here are the results. Let me run the code and this is it. You can see the title as lead capture form. You can paste this code on any website. If you have a WordPress website, you can paste this code onto your website and not have to use plugins. So if this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. That would be so amazing. It helps us to improve our videos. Now, if you want to improve your digital marketing, check out these 4 highly recommended marketing blogs. These blogs provide top-notch tips on marketing and strategy. So click on the video and I'll see you next time. Bye.